Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to disable ransomware protection on Windows 11 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To disable or turn off ransomware protection on Windows 11 computer, go to search and type Windows Security. Now click on Windows Security. In left pane, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now scroll down and you will find the last one, Ransomware Protection, and you will find a option Manage Ransomware Protection. Click on it and under Controlled Folder Access, you will find an on-off button, and access is turned on right now. That means ransomware protection is turned on. Just click here to turn it off. Now click on yes. Now ransomware threat protection is turned off on Windows 11 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.